spring convention. We were actually packing up, getting ready to leave, and Troy from Titan went out for a morning run, and we just got a call from him. So we got to go get a Jeep. He's broken the plug welds on the front axle and twisted one of the tubes. So it looks like somebody's going on the hook.
Tell me.
So we do have to leave it extended so we don't hurt his light. flat on the way out. We should be okay. Well, this one isn't too bad. We're on a shelf road here. It's pretty even and flat.
Just shifted a little left.
Slid forward, yeah.
I just want the record to show. I had no, I was running behind him with, if it's shaky. I want the record to show that, Eric.
Yeah.
It's not bad photography. It's,
Oh, the iPhone stabilized them really, really good. It's surprising. So how was that ride, Rachel?
That was interesting.
It was
I
interesting?
didn't expect that to happen today. But you know, things happen.
Yep, they do.
Had a little bit of fun first.
That's good. As long as it was fun.
Yep, that's right. Hopefully we can fix it properly this next time.
you gotta pay the piper. I have several.
Maybe we need a Sally purse.
Listen, there's
Over
a
here.
hole
Yeah.
with your name on it.
Well, Troy, I know you never wanted one of these, but you get one.
Yeah, it's bound to happen eventually. I tend to break them.
Yeah, if you aren't braking, you aren't wheeling, right?
Not having any fun unless you're breaking stuff. This is a fact.
All right.
Especially when you build it, you break it, and then you build it, and you break it, you build it. That's the start of the game. That's the name of it. That's what we do.
Yeah, it's a repeat process.
Over and over and over, never ending.
You know what that's the definition of? When you keep doing the same thing expecting different results?
Well, it's insanity, but that's what this whole...
Yeah,
There's
it's all
no rhyme or
insanity.
reason. It's literally insanity.
Well, that was a fun weekend. And we just got done with another fun weekend. Our big memorial off-road event at Dresser, Wisconsin. The 53rd annual. If you missed it this year, put it on your calendar right now for next year. We were very busy at the event this year. Hardly had time to shut off the truck and put fuel in. We filmed tons of recoveries, so stay tuned for that. And as soon as Seat Cover is up to it, we're gonna start working on her wrecker. You won't wanna miss out on that. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Before noon, we had to be
Find a
out
good
by
spot
noon.
for it.
11:49.
Perfect timing. We got to be off the trails by noon.
Yeah. And we made it. Saved by BSF.
I was just on the
recovery,
right
too.
screen.